Okay, today we're going to take a look at a new Zippo. Just arrived. So this one came in the normal Zippo black box, and the only thing it says on back is S.O.A. And this is a genuine Zippo made in Bradford, PA. And this is a Sons of Anarchy Zippo. And the insert is semi-collectible. It has the Sons of Anarchy logo on there. And of course the Zippo logo. So this is actually the Irish version of the Sons of Anarchy. You can see Ireland right there and the shamrock on his shield. Kind of a cream color, not quite white. And this one was made in, looks like G of 17. So that's, I believe that's July last year. Good stampings on this one. Good sound. Steel insert, lights up real nice. That is the Sons of Anarchy, the Irish chapter. Let's do a drop test on this real quick. A lit drop test. So that passed the drop test, the lit drop test, easily. Now I do have a few more of these Sons of Anarchy Zippos that are in my collection, and these are the 4 that I could find right off. Now those are nice ones, and that black one looks very similar to this white one, except the figure on the matte white is a little bit smaller, and of course it's got the Irish logo on it. So that is a real nice little Sons of Anarchy Zippo. And somebody asked me what this Zippo on the bottom of this tray was. I've been saving this one for a special occasion. It's also an Irish Zippo. It's the Celtic Cross. I'm just keeping that kind of set aside. But these Irish, or these Sons of Anarchy Zippos, definitely deserve a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.